Hello everyone, a very good evening. So, how was your paper? Yes. So before the session started, I was just going through your chat and I felt that mostly everyone was like the paper went really well. Yes? Hello Niriksha, Bal Mukund Sharma. That's nice. Anonymous helper. Yes, Jackson, Khushi, Niriksha, Puneet Kaur. Hello everyone. Yes, it went well. Yes, Avlen Arya Jaiswal, Kukuraja Devi, Mayank Kumar, Srinidhi, Jackson. All right, all right. So the paper was not difficult. Yes, Ansua, you felt it was hard. Yatish, very easy. Yes. Hi, Sips Music. All right, all right. All right, so today I'm going to discuss this set of your math paper. The code is 30/3/2. So let's quickly discuss the paper. All right, so let's get started. But before that, please subscribe the channel if you haven't yet so that you keep getting notifications about the upcoming sessions. So this is the course structure. We know the chapters. Total marks would be 50, in which 40 marks is for your theory paper and 10 for your internal assessments. And so in this paper, there were 3 sections, right? All right, so let's quickly discuss these sections one by one. So in section A, this is question number 1. Excited? Yes. Let's quickly see like how many marks you're going to score. Yes, you can also check. All right, all right. All right, so cubical block of size 7 centimeters surmounted by a hemisphere of the largest possible diameter as shown in this figure. Find the total surface area for the solid. Right, so here in this question, we have the side of the cube, that's a centimeter. So obviously that's the side of the cube, that's the largest diameter. So radius would be 3.5 centimeter. You can see each and everything is mentioned over here. I hope that that's in the same way you have also mentioned that in the paper, right? As I told you, write each and every step. I'm sure you followed everything what I told you. Yes. All right, so for total surface area, it's going to be surface area of cube minus surface area of base of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere. Just put the formula 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So it becomes 6a square plus pi r square. Final answer is going to be 332.5 centimeter square. How many of you got this correct? Quickly. Yes. Vedant Art Creation. It was hard. Paper was not that hard, I would say. Yes, there could be some questions that you might find that they were twisted or something, but paper wasn't that hard. Yes. About other sets, do you want us to discuss the other sets as well? Because today I'm discussing this set. So do you want us to come up with other sets also? Yes or no? Yes, quickly. Vedant Art Creation, yes. Abhishek, that's what I'm asking. All right, all right. So everybody is saying yes. Don't worry, we will come up with the solutions for the other sets as well. But today, let's quickly take a look at the questions from this set. Question number 1, part B. How many solid cones of height 3 centimeter and radius 2 centimeter can be found by melting a solid sphere of radius 3 centimeter? Melting. That means obviously here volume will remain same. So radius for sphere is denoted by capital R 3 centimeter. For small one it is 2 centimeter. Height of cone is 3 centimeter. Let number of cones be n. So volume of sphere would be equal to n times volume of cone. 4 upon 3 pi r cube equal to n times 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Let's put everything here. All the values, we get 108 by 12, which is going to be 9. So that means there are 9 solid cones. That's the answer. Yes. Set code. The set code is 30/3/2. Yes. So the people who got this set, they can cross-verify their answers from here. Right? You can see the steps as well, how you have written it. All right, all right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 2 now. So in this figure, PA and PB are tangents to the circle with center O, and angle APB is 70 degrees. Then find angle AQB. So here we have angle APB already, that's 70 degree. And angle OAP, this would be 90 degrees, right? Because radius and tangent are perpendicular at the point of contact. This is also 90. Now this over here, OAPB, this is nothing but that's a 4-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles would be 360 degree. Put all the values here. We get angle AOB, that's 110 degrees. And angle AOB would be twice of angle AQB because angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point on the remaining point of the circle. I'm sure that all of you have mentioned the reasoning as well in the geometry as I told you. Yes? So reasoning, mentioning the reasoning was important. So angle AQB would be half of that. That would be 55 degrees. Yes. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 3. This is part A of question 3. For what value of P does the quadratic equation px square plus 2x plus p equal to 0 have real and equal roots? See, real and equal roots, that means obviously discriminant would be 0 in that case, right? So I'll put everything here. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, right? That's going to be 2 square minus 4 times p equal to 0. That would be 4 minus 4p square equal to 0. P square is 1. P would be plus minus 1, right? So who all got this set? This set number 30/3/2. Who all got this set? Bharat R. Yes, we are discussing the same set. Right. HP creations. Yes, that's why I asked you. If you want us to discuss the other sets as well, don't worry. We will come up with that also. We will discuss the other sets as well. Yes. So I've written the set code over here. Yes. All right, all right. So I hope this was a simple question, right? This was a simple one. You must have got the right answer for this one. All right, let's quickly move ahead to the next part. This is part B of question number 3. Solve the quadratic equation for x. 6 minus x square equal to 0. So what we are doing here is first we are taking everything on one other side so that the signs get changed. X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. And we are applying middle term splitting here. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X, we are taking common from consecutive terms. X times x plus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. These are the two brackets that will form two factors basically. Then we have x equal to minus 3 comma 2. That would be the answer. Yes. I hope this was a simple question. Whomsoever got this set, they would have got the right answer for this. Yes. Kashif Iftikhar Khan, don't worry. We will do that. Yes, Bhagya. Your set is different. Harika, we are discussing the same set as yours. All the questions that's nice, Vedant. Minsa, you got this set. Yes. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 4 now. For an AP with common difference D, sum of first 10 terms is same as 4 times the sum of first 5 terms. Determine the first term of the AP. So here common difference is 6. This is the formula for SN. I'm sure that all of you have mentioned the formulas in the paper, right? So S10 would be what? 4 times S5 because it says that 4 times the sum of first 5 terms, right? So this is the equation that we are getting from the question. All right, so I'm just putting everything here. So this would be 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1, 6 is equal to 4 times 5 by 2, 2a plus 5 minus 1, 6. See, whomsoever got this set, whomsoever got these questions in the paper, you can cross-check your steps now. Wow, that's amazing, Aditya. Yes. You answered in the same manner like I taught you. So don't worry. I'm sure you will get good marks in the paper. All right. So on simplifying, this is going to be 2a plus 54 equal to twice of 2a plus 24, which is 2a plus 54 equals to 4a plus 48. So 2a is 6, a would be 3. So that's the first term, right? I'm sure you got the right answer. A equals to 3. Who all got a equals to 3 in this question? For the people who had this set. Yes. Shweta, yes. This is, okay, I think again and again we have this confusion. This is the set code. All right. A3, Ankit. Yes, you got the same answer. Good. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly discuss question number 5 now. Find the 15th term of an AP whose first term is 17, fourth term is 44. So when I'm saying first term is 17, A is 17, fourth term is 44, that means A4 is 44, right? So we are using this formula. I hope that you have mentioned the formula in the paper. Now A4 would be 17 plus 4 minus 1D. So from here you get D equals to 9. Similarly, I need to find now A15. So A15 would be 17 plus 15 minus 1 into 9. I have the common difference now. That's going to be 143. That's the 15th term, right? Krishna Kumar, that's the same set. Yes, that we are discussing. All right. So let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 6 now. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. See, in statistics, even while we were preparing for the exams, I told you this is one of the most easiest chapter, and you can see that in the paper also, the questions that have been asked from this chapter, they are the most simpler ones, and all the questions were straightforward from this chapter, isn't it? Questions were not difficult, not even twisted. So here we have the class intervals, we have the frequency. It's a straightforward question. We have to use the formula. So this is the formula for mode, and highest frequency is this, right? So this is going to be F1, this is going to be F0, and this is going to be F2. And so this is going to be our modal class, right? So this is the modal class. Simply I'll put everything here. What is H? H is the class size. That's going to be 10, right? Raghav, so whomsoever has this confusion when I'm going to discuss the other sets, don't worry. We will be discussing the other sets as well. Right. So mode would be 130 plus 3 by 7 into 10. So 130 plus 4.28. It is going to be 134.28. That would be the mode in this case. So this was from section A. Now let's quickly take a look at the questions from section B. So this is question number 7. All right. So from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively as shown in figure. Find the height of the transmission tower, right? So here the figure is there. I hope that all of you have drawn the figure in the paper with using a pencil and a ruler. Ankit, full marks. Wow, that's nice. Amazing. It's okay, Unnati. Till now we have discussed section A. So whatever you have missed, you can watch the recorded session later. You can check, you can cross-check your answers. So now I've just started with section B. So angle of elevation of the top of the transmission tower over here is 60 degree, right? And bottom of the transmission tower, that's 45 degrees. So we can say that tan 45 degrees would be BC by CD. So 20 by CD is equals to 1 because tan 45 degrees is 1. CD would be 20 meters. So I have this CD now, right? Similarly, tan 60 in the bigger triangle, that would be AC by CD, perpendicular by base, right? So that would be root 3 equal to AB plus BC by CD. I can put BC here, that's 20, and CD is also 20, equal to root 3. On simplifying, we get AB equals to 20 root 3 minus 20. So 20 times root 3 minus 1 meter, that's the height of the transmission tower. Thank you, Ankit. Yes, Vedant, this set is indeed easy. All the questions I felt questions were straightforward. I mean, the students who have done NCRT and NCRT exemplar level is also, I would say, a little bit difficult. But the questions in this paper all were very simple. Yes, you all would agree on this. Don't worry. Yes, I will come up with the solutions of other set as well. Thank you, Shikha. All right, all right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 8 now. So data is given. We have to determine the median in this case. Again, a straightforward questions, right? Though we have discussed the trickier questions as well, right? But the questions in the paper were all very simple. HP creations. Answer should be in proper final in decimals. Yes. All right, so here we know the formula of the median. I hope that you have mentioned the formula in the paper, right? So total is 63 over here, n by 2 would be 31.5. So 42 is the just greater value from 31.5. So this is the median class. This is the lower limit. Class size H is 5. Frequency would be 21. Cumulative frequency over here, that is also 21. Everything you put in the formula, you get 27.5. That's the median. Yes. A simple question, straightforward question. And you see the digits were also very simple, not that calculative as well, right? So I'm sure that all of you would have been able to complete the paper on time. Yes? Or anyone face challenges in completing the paper on time, because I think that we have done a lot of sessions on this as well, just to guide you on how to attempt the paper, like what should be the right strategy that you should follow while attempting the paper. Yes. Thank you, Ankit. Shikha Jaiswal. Very, very, very easy. Yes, I completely agree with you on this. Yes, don't worry. Set 1 also I will be discussing. So, Piyush, your set must be different in that case. Abhisha, we will come up with that. You want us to discuss other sets? I will discuss the solutions for other sets as well. Miss Coffin, finished on time. Wow, that's good. Ankit, enough time was there. So now you have learned how to manage time in the paper, finally. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 9, part A. So 2 concentric circles we have to draw of radius to 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. From point P on the outer circle, construct the pair of tangents to the inner circle. So inner circle is of radius 2 centimeter, outer one of 5 centimeter, right? These are the radius OP and OQ with center O. First we join this O with P and we take the perpendicular bisector of this OP and the center point, middle point would be M. So taking M as center and OM as radius, we draw a circle which is intersecting the smaller circle at these 2 points A and B, and then from here we can draw the tangents to this smaller circle. So P and PB would be the required tangents at the end. Yes? All right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 9 P part. Draw line segment AB 9 centimeter, divide AB in the ratio 2:3. So this is the line segment AB 9 centimeter, right? And we have drawn a ray AX making an acute angle with this line segment AB and ray BY making an acute angle with this AB, right? And then we put the arcs over here, 3 arcs over here, all of them have to be equal. B1, B1, B2, B2, B3. Similarly, on here as well, A1, A2, these are the 2 arcs. So A1, A1, A2 would be equal in this case. Now all we have to do is we have to join A2 with B3 and let them intersect at this point P. So this is the required, your line segment has been divided in the required ratio, 2:3. Yes. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 10. The mileage kilometer per hour of 50 cars was recorded by a dealer and tabulated as given below. Find the mean of the above distribution. Yes. So here what we will do is mileage is given, the class intervals over there, and we have the number of cars, that's F1. We need class marks, that's XI, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So that's going to be 10 plus 12 by 2, which is 11. This is 13, 15, 17, 19, right? And similarly here we are finding out FI, XI. So we'll multiply each value of FI with the XI, that's 143, 234, 150, 119, 38, and total in this case would be 684. Total for FI would be 50. And this is the formula for the mean. I hope you have mentioned the formula in the paper while solving this. That's 684 by 50, which is 13.68 kilometer per liter. Yes. Set 1 was difficult. I think not everyone is saying that the paper was difficult. Yes. Shikha, not today, but yes, we will come up with that soon. All right, all right. So these were the questions from your section B paper, right? Now let's quickly discuss the questions from section C. So here is question number 11. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 6-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Use root 3 equal to 1.73. So this is the figure that we have here. Yes. Yes. So here I can say I hope that everybody has mentioned these statements when we are attempting the question of applications of trigonometry. This is what I told you, right? Day before the exam also. Yes. Few questions, Baldevarya, were difficult. Third one was really difficult. Miss Coffin, not very difficult. So it depends. See, it depends on your preparation. Some are saying it was difficult. Some are finding the same paper easy, right? But don't worry. Don't worry. See, whatever you have done, now just don't think about it. Right? Because now you need to prepare for the other papers as well. So if you keep thinking about what we have done in the math paper, this is only going to hamper your performance in the upcoming exams. Yes? So no need to take stress. Ritik, 100 on 100. Yeah? 100% in maths. Wow, that's amazing. Yes. Alright, so AE and CD, they both are equal 6 meters, and BE, the remaining over here is H minus 6 meter, entire height is H meters. So AC and DE, they both are equal to X meters. So in this triangle ACB, this one over here, tan 45 would be AB by AC. So 1 equal to H by X, X and H both are equal. This is our equation number 1. So talking about the other triangle, this triangle BDE, here we have tan 30 degree equals to BE by DE. Let's put everything here. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is H minus 6 by X. So that's going to be X equal to root 3 H minus 6. That's equation 2. Now from equation 1, we already know X is equal to H. Let's quickly equate them. Let's quickly put this value here in equation 2. We have H equal to root 3 H minus 6 root 3. That's going to be root 3 H minus H equal to 6 root 3. Take H common, root 3 minus 1 equal to 6 root 3. Now again we have, if I take it to the other side, I have 6 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. I'll have to rationalize this, right? So once you rationalize, you get 6 root 3 times root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. 6 root 3 times root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is going to be 18 plus 6 root 3 by 2. 9 plus 3 root 3. That would be a final result along with the units. That's with meter. No, I'm not ignoring anyone. Yes, Jyotsna. Which set is this? This is the set code that I'm discussing right now. Yes. See, so there were different sets. Angel Art, you might have got another set, right? All right. Trigonometry questions were a little confusing in set 3. So it happens. There may be in one set, there may be the questions. It's not that any one set would be, the paper is set in such a way that, you know, this much percentage of paper would be an very easy level 1. Then after that, this much percentage would be the medium level, then slightly they increase that. But in all the sets, the difficulty level is going to be the same. Yes, there might be a difference in the difficulty level of questions. Let's say in set 1, the difficulty level of statistics was difficult. Another says difficulty level of trigonometry questions was difficult. And other thing, it all depends on your preparation also, right? It all depends on which topic you have a good command over. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly discuss question number 12, part A. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. So this is the figure, right? So this is a quadrilateral ABCD which is circumscribing a circle with center O. If we join all this AO, BO, CO and DO like this, and we mark these angles over here, right? This as 1, 1, 2, 2 because it is bisecting them. So here I can say that AB and AD are tangents over here, right? This AB and AD, these are the tangents for this circle. And these angles are equal, both are equal to 1. Similarly, BC and BD are tangents and these two angles are equal, both are equal to angle 2. Yes. Midil Nair, don't worry. See, I know that everyone wants their set to be discussed. Don't worry, we will come up with that. Yes. Alright, so similarly we can take the same way for vertices C and D as well. Sum of all the angles at the center would be 360 degree. So what we can do is, simply we add up all the angles, twice of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 equal to 360 degree. So sum of all these angles would be 180 degree. Now in this triangle AOB, sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So angle AOB, or you can say angle BOA, would be 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. Similarly in this triangle COD, using the angle sum property, you can say it would be angle COD would be equal to 180 degree minus angle 3 plus angle 4. Let's add both of them. We are going to get this equation. So finally we will get angle BOA plus angle COD equals to 180 degree. So hence proved. We were supposed to prove that they are subtending supplementary angles at the center. Yes, good afternoon Himanshu. I think you have just joined. 30/1/2. Midil Nair. Yes. I know each one of you wants your set to be discussed because you want to cross-check your answers, right? You must be very curious right now. Don't worry, I will do that. Alright. Let's quickly discuss part 2 of this question. Part B. In figure, CD is a tangent and AB is diameter of the circle centered at O. If angle DCB is 20 degree, then find angle ADC. So simply we know that radius and tangent are perpendicular at the point of contact. So this angle ODC, this one would be 90 degrees and angle OCD is already given, that's 20 degrees. So sum of all the angles over here in this triangle, right? That's going to be equals to 180 degrees. So angle COD, this would be equals to 70 degrees from here. So this angle CAD, this angle would be 35 degrees because the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point and the remaining point of the circle. I hope you have mentioned this reason in the paper if you have attempted this question. So sum of all the angles, angle ACD plus angle ADC plus angle CAD equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property we are using. So angle ADC would be equals to 125 degrees. Yes. So whomsoever has got this set, so we are on sections C right now. How many of you have got all these questions correct till now? Yes? Yes. Quickly. 30/4/3. Okay, this set is different. 1/2. First set solve. Yes. Who all have got all these questions correct? If you have got the same set. Oh, Info Nikhil, this is the set code. Darshan Shetty, not all of them. Yes. Subiksha, this is the set. All right. So who all are expecting 100% marks in this paper? Question 11 wrong. Entire question or maybe just the calculation part? Yes? Yes, don't worry, Suhavi. We will come up with the other sets. You got a different one. It's okay, Jackson. It's fine. Don't be disheartened if you have lost 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks. See, it's just a paper. Yes. All right. Ankit is saying yes. You're sure that you would get 100%. 40 on 40. That's nice. All right, let's quickly move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 13 now. So we have a case study over here. So here a potter makes a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day the cost of production of each article in rupees was one more than the twice the number of articles produced on that day. The total cost of production on that day was 210. If you see that the story over here in case studies, basically it's of no use, right? If you have done the NCERT well, you would say you can simply make out just by reading at the few lines, initial few lines, that this question is from quadratic equations, right? In NCERT also there was a question. The language was totally same, right? So let's quickly solve this. We have to, taking the number of articles produced on that day x, we have to form a quadratic equation in x. So on a particular day, the cost of production of each article in rupees was one more than twice the number of articles. Number of articles are x, cost would be 1 plus 2x. Total cost of production is 210. That's going to be x times 2x plus 1 equal to 210. So quadratic equation would be this on simplifying this, right? 2x squared plus x minus 210 equals to 0. Now we need to find out the number of articles produced, that means the value of x, and the cost of each article also. So this is the quadratic equation. So here we are using quadratic formula. So this is the formula for getting the value of fruits. So minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 210 by 2 times 2. On simplifying, we get x equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1681 by 4. So what do we get? We know that discriminant is greater than 0. That means it will have two real roots. So x would be minus 1 plus minus 41 by 4. So x would be 40 by 4 minus 42 by 4. X is the number of articles, so it cannot be negative. You have to mention the statement. We are neglecting this value. X would be 10. So these are the number of articles, and cost of each article is 1 plus 2x according to the question. Let's put it here. You get rupees 21. Yes. All right, all right. See, S. Tripathi, yes, that came. We were discussing that in yesterday's session only, right? So it's good that you have revised those formulas at the end. See, that's why we came up with the final revision of all the formulas. Raghavan, 40 on 40. Wow, amazing. That's what, Jackson, you have given your best. That's what I wanted all of you to do, right? You have done that, and it's fine. Don't get disheartened that I've lost 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, right? Now you need to focus on the other paper, right, for your upcoming exams. All right, all right. Step marking, yes, Mitali, yes, step marking. That's why I was telling you to write each and every step. So till wherever your question, your answer is correct, you will get the steps till those steps only. Right. Thank you, Manpreet. All right, let's quickly discuss question number 14, the case study 2. So here the technique of rainwater harvesting through recharge pit is useful. Rainwater is collected on the roof, then flowing through the recharge pit, it goes to the ground. Observe the picture given below. The surface area of the roof floor is given 100 meters square. Cuboidal pit measures 3 meter times 2 meter. Now water standing on the roof is released into the cuboidal pit. If the cuboidal pit is filled completely by the roof water, then the height of standing water on the roof would be what? So just by looking at the question, I'm sure you were able to guess that it's from surface areas and volume. So cuboidal pit measurement is given, that's length, breadth, height. So volume would be 18 meters cube. Surface area of the roof floor is given. So volume of water standing of the roof would be equal to volume of filled cuboidal pit. So let's assume that the standing water height is h. So 18 is equals to 100 times h, right? That's going to be equals to h equals to 18 by 100 meters. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at part B now. Yes. Instead of a cuboidal pit, if a cylindrical pit with diameter 3 meter and height 2 meter had been built, in which tank would hold more water? So in that case, what we will do here is, we know the cuboidal pit volume, that's 18 meter cube. Cylindrical pit radius, diameter and height is given. So you can use the volume pi r square h. Radius would be 3 by 2. So pi 3 by 2 square into 2, that's 14.13 meter cube. So obviously we can just clearly see here that cuboidal pit will hold more water in this case. So this was the last question from this set that I have discussed today. But don't worry, I know that each one of you want me to discuss the other sets as well. Don't worry, we will come up with that. We have got you covered. Just like we did math sessions, we prepared for you for the math paper, we'll be preparing you for the science paper as well. So we have lined up a lot of sessions for you. And another interesting thing that we can also connect on Telegram now. So there you will get the session updates, you will get to know about the homework questions, revision questions, sessions PDF would be shared, and some interesting Sunday fun day facts. And you would get some tips and tricks, what new is cooking, and much more. So you can also show us the expressions you are feeling. So what are you waiting for? Please click on the link in the description and join us now. Nancy Joseph, don't worry. I will come up with other sets as well. Yes. All right, and we have the link for free trial classes also. Link is given in the description. Please click on that link and get all your doubts clarified instantly during the class. And please like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss any new updates from us. Yes. Shikha Jaiswal, weightage or about term 1. Yes. So don't worry. We will come up with everything. Whatever you need to know, we will come up with the updates as well. Yes. As readies in case, so how many marks? So Utkarsh, you made a mistake over there, right? So maybe I am sure that you must have mentioned the formula. So till whatever step your answer is correct, you will get marks according to that. That's what, see, this is the benefit of a subjective paper, I would say, right? Because you get marks according to the steps, that correct steps that you have written. Yes, so don't worry about this. All right. So I'll see you soon, right? And with another interesting video. All right, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.